Hello there and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Let's take a close-up look at the new Friendship stamp set and die set from the Sweet Summer Celebration collection at Trinity Stamps launching June of 2022. This is a 4x8 stamp set with 15 images in it and a coordinating die set also with 15 dies. It's going to cut out every single piece in this stamp set for you. I love the variety in this set of different styles of ships as well as so many choices for sentiments. Let's take a look at all of these images stamped out onto white cardstock. You can see what they look like and now they're ready to be die cut or colored. There is, like I said, a die for every single one of these images, including the sentiments, which are bubble cut. I love that look. So we have seize the day, ship, ship, hooray, friendship is the best ship of all, oh ship, sorry I missed your birthday, and let's celebrate. Here are all the images colored and ready to be put onto a card. Let's take a look at my ship in the bottle card. I took that old-fashioned looking ship and put it inside this bottle from the Pop Fizz die cut and made a really fun background with our peninsula stencil set like Cassie used on her card here with the cruise ship. I just love how versatile this stamp set is, and here's a couple more cards to inspire you as well. If you'd like even more inspiration from Trinity Stamps, we have lots of videos on YouTube and you can find us on Instagram and Facebook too. I thank you so much for stopping by today. I'll see you all again very soon with another video. Happy stamping. Bye.